Folks, just in case you slept through it all this morning, it was cold to start the day. Our low temperatures were at record levels in many cities. Brownsville didn't quite make the record, 37. Record was 31, set in 1901. But Harlingen, McAllen, Weslaco all setting records, and not just by a little bit. I mean, just shattering the old records that were set quite a few years ago. So it was a very, very cold start to the day across the valley. Now, temperatures at this hour, mainly the 40s. We've gone missing in Rio Grande City, but everybody else in the low 40s across the area. Under clear skies, temperatures should bottom out in the mid-30s overnight tonight. I think this is as cold as it will get. Maybe a degree or two warmer instead of colder. So it looks like, 31, maybe Harlingen and Raymondville, 29 Rio Grande City is the coldest I think it could get. Most places will stay a couple degrees above freezing. And then tomorrow, look at this, back in the 70s in the west, 60s in the east with plenty of sunshine, just light and variable winds at about 3 to 8. Normal high for this time of November is 81, and we're going 67 tomorrow, so still well below average. Back to 73 on Friday and 76 on Saturday. Sunday, Monday, we'll get close to average, but probably won't quite get there. Doppler network's been quiet today. Satellite pictures have been quiet most of the day, too. There were some clouds early. They have burned off, and we're back to mainly clear tonight. Nice moon up there tonight. There you go. Clear overnight during the daytime tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. We go to Friday, starts clear, stays that way all day, partly to mostly sunny again. Then things change. Southeast wind kicks in on Saturday. Moisture levels begin to come up, and we see a lot more clouds on Saturday. Probably not any rain. I think the rain chances kind of sneak in Saturday night and then go up on Sunday. So Saturday night we got a 10% chance, but again, Saturday night, not during the daytime. I think most of Saturday is dry, but then Sunday looks like it could be rainy in a few spots across the valley. All the big rains moved out of Texas tonight. It's clear. High pressure is built in. The cold air kind of meandering around our part of the state. It will eventually fade away as the high pressure moves to the east. Once that high pressure is far enough away, that southeast wind will kick in, bringing the warmer conditions in again. Look to the north. Another front on the map on Saturday. That front likely to move into south central Texas by Sunday. All that warm, moist air ahead of it will trigger some showers around the area. Front will likely stall right near the valley on Monday and continue to trigger showers into the early part of next week. How much cooling we see behind it, still a question mark, but it looks like not a big cool down, at least at this point. No advisories for tomorrow at the coast. There's a moderate risk of rip currents there. The tides, surf temperature 68. The bay is down to 60. Cool water in that bay. So tonight, 33 with clear skies, near freezing, especially west and north. And then tomorrow, after a cold start, sunny skies back to 67 by tomorrow afternoon. Here we go, 67, 73, 76. Sunday, clouds show up, a couple showers a possibility. That goes into early next week as well. Some question marks about the highs next week. It depends on where that front stalls, but either way, I think the chance of showers is with us Sunday till at least Tuesday and maybe even Wednesday. Cold night tonight, though. Temperatures near freezing across a lot of the valley. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.